Have you ever been reviewing a PDF file and needed more space to write note or draw something? Maybe you are reading a class handout or a contract and there's no room to add your own thought. With the Samsung Notes app, you can easily insert a blank page into your PDF right from your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to do it. Open Samsung Note app. Tap the PDF file you want to edit. If it's not there yet, tap the import PDF icon and then choose the file to open it. Once it opens, tap the three dot in the top right corner and then tap Page Sorter. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap the page with plus icon to automatically insert a blank page as the last page. If needed, you can change where the new blank page should be placed. Just tap and hold a page and then drag it to where you want it to go. When you are done, just tap the back key and Samsung Note will automatically save the updated PDF for you. Now you have a blank page in the PDF ready for your note, sketch, or anything you want to add. Why is this helpful? Let's say you are reviewing a class lecture PDF, you run out of space for writing formulas or making diagrams. Instead of opening another app or using paper, just insert a blank page and keep everything in one file. It's simple, fast, and you don't need a computer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.